Chapter 2, Repeat Command and Procedures in Logo. We will learn about using the repeat command, procedures in Logo, writing a procedure, saving a procedure, edit command, load command, running a procedure, erasing a procedure. Children, draw basic shapes such as a square, rectangle and triangle. You have to repeat the same command a certain number of times. Instead of typing the same command again and again, you can use a special command called the repeat command. Using the repeat command tells the turtle to repeat the given command a certain number of times. For shapes, such as a square, where the same command is repeated for all the sides, the repeat command can be useful. Let us understand this with the help of the following commands. To draw a square, repeat 4 FT 100 RT 90. To draw a rectangle, repeat 2 FT 100 RT 90 FT 200 RT 90. Booster doors, the space where you type commands and execute them is known as the input box. Here, the numbers 4 and 2 after the repeat command denote the number of times the command is repeated. The command to be repeated is enclosed within square brackets. Making polygons using the repeat command, any closed figure with 3 or more sides is called a polygon. A polygon in which all the sides are of equal length is called a regular polygon. The repeat command can be used to draw regular polygons. The repeat command for a polygon with n number of sides is written as follows. Repeat n, ft, number of steps, rt360/n. The repeat commands used to draw some commonly used polygons are given in table. Table, repeat commands used to draw some polygons. S, no. Polygon, no. Of sides, n, turtle turns by. Command, 1. Triangle, 3, 360 degrees/3 equals 120 degrees. Repeat 3, ft 40 rt 120, 2. Pentagon, 5, 360 degrees/5 equals 72 degrees. Repeat 5, ft 40 rt 72, 3. Hexagon, 6, 360 degrees/6 equals 60 degrees. Repeat 6, ft 40 rt 60, 4. Octagon, 8, 360 degrees/8 equals 45 degrees. Repeat 8, ft 40 rt 45. Similarly, you can use the repeat command to draw other polygons as well. Booster doors, to increase or decrease the length of the side of a polygon, increase or decrease the number of steps in the forward command. Making a circle is made up of tiny curved lines or arcs. The command used to draw a circle is written as repeat 360, ft1 rt1. Procedures in Logo. A Logo procedure is a set of Logo commands that are executed one after the other to carry out a specific task. So, if we wish to use a set of Logo commands again, a procedure is very useful. Every procedure must be given a name so that the turtle can remember it. Once a procedure is named, it is saved in the computer memory. Then, it can be reused whenever required. For example, if we want to draw a circle 5 times on the screen, we don't need to type in all the primitives 5 times. We can just store these primitives under some procedure name, for example, circle. Now whenever we want a circle shape to be drawn on the screen, just type circle and the shape will be drawn on the screen. Rules of naming a procedure. 1. A procedure name may contain letters, numbers, and some of the symbols on the keyboard. For example, rectangle number 1, circle at 2, and 154 are valid procedure names. 2. A procedure name should not contain blank spaces. For example, square 123 is a valid procedure name, but square 123 is not. 3. A procedure name cannot be an MSW logo command. For example, RT, LT, FT, BK, etc. are not valid procedure names. 4. A procedure name should not contain any symbols or arithmetic operators used in MSW logo, such as note. Always choose a name that gives information about the instructions in the procedure. This will help you identify and use procedures correctly. For example, for a procedure that draws a triangle, use names such as triangle, triangle 1, triangle number 123, and so on. A procedure in MSW logo starts with the to command followed by the name you wish to give to the procedure. This is called defining a procedure. Then, you have to enter the complete set of instructions. This is followed by the end command. The end command indicates that the procedure has been completed. For example, the procedure to draw a square may be written as follows. To square, FT100, RT90, FT100, RT90, FT100, RT90, FT100, RT90, N. Writing a procedure. To write a procedure using input box, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click in the input box. Step 2. Type the followed by a single space and the name of the procedure. For example, to square. Press Enter key. Step 3. To mode, cancel to end, input box will appear. Type the set of primitives one after other for making a square. Press the Enter key after each line. FT100, RT90, FT100, RT90, FT100, RT90, FT100, RT90. Step 4. When all the primitives are entered, type in end and press the Enter key. The procedure for square will be defined. Step 5. To execute the procedure, type the procedure name square in the input box. Press the Enter key. The square will appear on the logo screen. Saving a procedure. When you create a procedure, you need to save it. This allows you to execute it later. A logo procedure is saved with the extension .lgr. To save a procedure, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File. Step 2. Click on the Save As option. Step 3. The Save As dialog box opens. Type a file name in the file name box. Step 4. Click on Save. Edit command. To make changes to a saved procedure, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File tab. Step 2. Click on the Edit option. The Edit procedure window opens. Step 3. Click on the procedure that you want to edit. Step 4. Click on OK. Step 5. The editor window opens. Make changes in this window. Step 6. Click on File. Step 7. Click on Save and Exit to save the changes. Load command. Every time you open logo and want to run a saved procedure, you have to load it first. Loading a procedure is like opening a saved file. You can execute a procedure only after you load it. To load a procedure, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on File. Step 2. Click on the Load option. Step 3. Select the location from which your file is to be loaded. Step 4. Click on Open. You can also load a procedure by typing load followed by double inverted quotes and the name of the procedure. Then press the Enter key, for example, load square. Running a procedure. Once a procedure is loaded, you can run it. Running a procedure is also known as executing a procedure. To run a procedure, type the procedure name in the input box and press the Enter key. Erasing a procedure. To delete a procedure in logo, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the File menu of the MSW logo screen. Step 2. Click on the Erase option. The Erase procedure window opens. Step 3. Select the procedure to be deleted and click on the OK button. Recap. A logo procedure is a set of logo commands that are executed one after the other to carry out a specific task. Every time you open logo and want to run a saved procedure, you have to load it first. The repeat command tells the turtle to repeat the given command a certain number of times. The command used to draw a circle is written as repeat 360, FT1 RT1. Once a procedure is loaded, you can run it. Running a procedure is also known as executing a procedure. A procedure in logo starts with the to command followed by the name you wish to give to the procedure. When you create a procedure, you need to save it. This allows you to execute it later. The repeat command can be used to draw regular polygons. A procedure name should not contain blank spaces.